Brooklyn McKnight has shocked fans after revealing just how much she actually paid for her pregnancy. In a video uploaded to her co-shared TikTok account, Brooklyn and Bailey, which she shares with her identical twin, she broke down the cost of the services she received and calculated that she spent around $8,000. She revealed that she opted for a birthing centre instead of a hospital birth, and in the costing she included midwife fees for across 9 months of pregnancy care, the birth and 12 weeks of postpartum care, which came to over $6,000.
That's it. $6,750. Granted, I got a little bit of a discount because I decided to pay in cash instead of putting it through my insurance.
Additionally, Brooklyn added the cost of a doula, which included a 7-week birthing course, labour and delivery, and 1 postpartum visit, which cost the social media star $1,500.
I think I ended up paying about $8,000 to $9,000 to give birth to my baby. And obviously that's a lot cheaper than a hospital birth. And I had such a fantastic experience. I would 10 out of 10 recommend it for anybody.
Many fans in the comments were quick to compare the costs of hospital bills and pregnancies in countries where they have national health insurance. One person from the UK wrote, "As a UK resident, it's crazy that you have to pay to give birth. Like what?" And another fan from Australia added, "In Australia, even without insurance, it costs $0 to give birth." But many fans from the States shared an insight into their own shocking hospital bills before insurance covered the costs. But not all fans were able to share the relief of having health insurance, as one fan commented they had a bill of over $700,000. But that's not the only reason fans have been talking about Brooklyn recently. The star shared an insight into her entire pregnancy, including a video of the final moments before labour, which saw her husband Dakota comforting her throughout the whole process, as a caption read, "He never left my side." Fans shared words of love for the new parents, as one fan wrote, "So happy for her to have a good man, OMG." Others have been sharing their support for Brooklyn as she candidly showed her post-baby body, wearing a postnatal diaper and speaking candidly about her struggles with recovery. One commenter wrote, "You are so real for posting this. Thank you so much for normalising the belly postpartum, the hemorrhoids, the pain of milk coming in, etc." Brooklyn later revealed her baby's name in a post that saw her newborn lying on a bed with the name embroidered into the fabric. The post was captioned, "Archer Lewis Blackburn." Many fans quickly noted the link to Taylor Swift's song, The Archer, as one fan wrote, "My Swiftie heart just exploded." But the happy news of Brooklyn's smooth pregnancy comes with sadness for some fans, as she revealed she'll be leaving the Brooklyn and Bailey YouTube channel to focus on motherhood. In a video titled "Brooklyn is Leaving," the sisters sat down together to share the news that one of them was stepping away from their videos once her baby was born.
Brooklyn will be leaving.
Although Brooklyn admitted she'd still be around and be in some of the content, she revealed that she decided to take maternity leave to spend time with her newborn son.
I will be taking just a small maternity leave break. You won't see me in the content as much. I'll still be around, I'll still be in some of the content, but it won't be as focused on me while I just recover.
Fans were quick to share words of love and understanding, with one fan writing, "Honestly Brooklyn, take a year. The beginning is just a whole life shift and such a sacred time. Just take it day by day. When you feel like coming back and making content and stuff, then great." But Brooklyn's departure from the channel isn't the only subject on everyone's lips, after fans began to speculate about Brooklyn's chosen baby name. Many fans have theorised that it could be Dallas, but after one commenter criticised the choice, others jumped to the new parents' defence.
Someone who grew up in Dallas, now living in Dallas, having a baby in Dallas, to name their baby Dallas is the most embarrassing thing I could possibly imagine.
One fan wrote, "If you're a hater, just say that. Messy." The pair even appeared to throw shade at the content creator by posting a TikTok of their own, with the caption reading, "Another day choosing to keep our mouths shut," with fans assuming the video was relating to M-Doodles, as one fan wrote, "M-Doodles roasts are just bullying influencers. I had to unfollow because her videos just feel icky now." But it hasn't just been baby talk for the YouTubers, after the pair appeared on the Unplanned podcast and spoke candidly about choosing to make their husbands sign a prenup before getting married.
This is very controversial, I feel like. I had him sign we signed prenups. That's not controversial.
That's
sign
not,
prenups.
yeah.
Well, protect your assets.
Brooklyn even revealed that she once had to get a restraining order against someone who was allegedly stalking her.
There was someone in our DMs very obsessed with me, particularly with my virginity. Eventually, it got heated to the point where he figured out where we were going to church when I was in college and showed up there and kind of camped out the parking lot and then threatened to do a lot of dangerous things if I didn't see him. And anyway, I had to get police involved. They found him and then they put an arrest on site for my school campus and my church. So if he ever came back around, they could arrest him on site. So kind of like a restraining order, but not for me personally, just more the area.